In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell with Shopify on TikTok. To get started, you will be connecting TikTok to your Shopify store. This connection is what lets you set up TikTok as a sales channel so customers can discover and buy from your products in the TikTok shopping experience. First, click Settings in Shopify. You can find this in the bottom left area of the screen, represented by the gear icon. Take a moment to locate the gear, then click it once. This opens the main configuration area where you manage your connected apps and sales channels. Next, once the settings panel is open, click Apps and Sales Channels from the left menu. This is the section where Shopify lists what you can integrate with, including sales channels and third-party apps. As you click it, pay attention to the layout on the left side so you select the correct menu item, not another settings category. Now that you are in Apps and Sales Channels, you will add the TikTok integration through the Shopify App Store. In the top right of this area, click Shopify App Store. This button takes you to the official marketplace where you can install apps that work directly with your Shopify setup. After the App Store opens, search for TikTok. Use the search bar and type TikTok. Then press Enter or click the search icon. When the results appear, click the official app. It is important to choose the official listing because that ensures you are installing the correct integration built to work with Shopify and TikTok. Once you open the official TikTok app page, click Install. This button begins the installation process. Shopify will take a moment to connect the app to your store. You may briefly see loading screens, so just wait for the installation to complete. After installation is finished, you will set TikTok up as a sales channel. Click Add Sales Channel. This step matters because it moves beyond simply installing the app. It helps you activate TikTok where customers can actually shop or where your product catalog can be used. At this point, Shopify may prompt you to continue the setup flow. Click Continue Setup or click Setup Now if that is the option you see on screen. The wording can vary slightly depending on your account and Shopify interface, but the purpose is the same. You are moving into the final connection and configuration process. As you continue, follow the prompts that appear during setup. These prompts typically guide you through confirming the connection and choosing the setup options. Shopify needs to link your store with TikTok. Keep an eye on the on-screen steps and buttons so you do not accidentally skip something important. When the setup completes, you are basically done with the core connection steps. The instructions you are following indicate that you should end at this point, once the setup process is finished successfully. At that moment, TikTok is connected through Shopify and ready for further use in your sales channel workflow. To summarize what you just completed, you open Shopify settings, went to Apps and Sales Channels, opened the Shopify App Store, searched for TikTok, installed the official TikTok app, added TikTok as a sales channel, and then continued or started the setup until it finished. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.